Hello guys, I've been trying to repair Clipchamp. It's been crashing on me quite often, and I just use excuse me, Gemini, and it's giving me some really good information over here. Beside the video, if you guys want to see the other video, go ahead and watch that. It's on my channel. Just look up Clipchamp crashing. But here's the step that we need to do. Okay, we need to go to open up the Run dialog in Windows. You do that by hitting the Windows icon and the letter R, and that brings up this Run window over here. You want to copy this command here, %, local app data, %, paste that in here, hit OK. This window opens up. Hold on, let me move that over. Oops, hang on a second. Move that over here, and then you want to scroll down to what does it say over here? Hang on. Make that a little smaller. You want to go to packages, which is down here. Packages, where is it? There you go. Package cache. Okay. That's that folder right there. Where are we at? Clipchamp folder. Packages, Clipchamp. Okay. Come down here. Where is it? Packages, right here. Go down to packages. Double click on that. And then go down to, you see the Clipchamp folder over here with a bunch of weird numbers and all that. What it's suggesting over here is navigate to Clipchamp folder packages, a folder with random characters, local state, default. Rename the default folder to default.old and restart your computer. This forces Clipchamp to build a new clean cache. Okay, I'm going to try that out and I'll let you guys know. So remember that. All you got to do is just use the Windows icon with the letter R, and when the little pop-up window come up over here, the run window pops up, copy this command over here, %, local app data, %, paste that in here and hit OK. That brings up this menu here. That brings up this window over here. So all you got to do, let me go back because it was a little tricky getting to that folder. So, okay, so when you put in that command over here, %, local app data, %, it's going to bring up this window. You want to come down to navigate to the Clipchamp folder packages. I didn't see any Clipchamp over here, so I'm assuming you have to go to packages because everything in alphabetical order. I didn't see anything that says Clipchamp. So I went down to packages. Okay, Clipchamp, which is right here, and where are we at here? Yeah, Clipchamp, a folder with random characters. That's what this looks like, random characters. Local state, I'm not sure what that is. EB, web view, I don't even know what the stuff is. Default, oh, maybe that's where I need to go. Did I click on the right? Yeah, Clipchamp. And local state. Oh, there it is. I didn't go far enough. Local state. And then you need to go, oh, there you go, EBW. I mean, EB web view. Double click on that. And then go to default, which is right here. And then default, rename the default folder default old. Oh, so I didn't need to open it. Okay. So here's what we did, guys. Look, I'm going to show you. So we're in app data. Look up here. Okay. App data, local, packages, Clipchamp with the random numbers, local state, EB web view, and then default. And that brings us over here. We didn't really need to open up this folder here. This is the Clipchamp folder. So all we got to do is just go up one time. Okay, here's the default folder. And according to the instruction here from, let me move that over here. According to instruction from, what was it? Gemini, Google AI. You need to go to that folder and rename it to, rename the default folder to default old. So all we have to do is right click, rename, and then we're going to call it .old, O-L-D, okay? It doesn't matter if it's capital or small letter. It doesn't really matter. So what I did, I changed that folder. It was a default folder before. Now I change it to default.old and restart your computer. This forces Clipchamp to build a new clean cache. So that should prevent it from crashing. And over here it says if you are using your browser version, clear. I'm not using the browser. I'm actually downloaded. I'm using it on my Windows. If you are using the browser version, clear the cache and cookies from Edge or Chrome, whichever you use for Clipchamp, making sure to select all times and cached images and files. Okay, so that should, if you're using the web version, you need to follow this instruction here. If you're using the local one, you need to use this. You need to follow this instruction over here. Let me make that a little bigger. There's nothing more to do over here. All I have to do is reboot. But if I reboot, it's going to shut off the video. So I'm going to try to give you guys as much information before I reboot, before I end this video. But anyway, over here, I'm going to show this real quick. All it says over here, you can go in and repair it from Windows. But I've tried that and I did the reset too. By the way, when you reset it, it moves it doesn't delete it from the hard drive. But if you're working on a project, it remove your assets and you have to start all over again in the reset option. But the repair option, it leaves everything alone. Okay. Over here it says clear app browser cache, and you have to follow these instructions here, the one that we just did. But the repair one is really simple. And also they mention over here, if you do Control Shift Escape, that brings up Task Manager, or you can click on the icon over here. That's the same thing. If I click it right here, it I'm sorry, not here. If you right click here, and you can open up Task Manager, and that shows you what resources are being used, and you can turn off. Like if you look over here, you can see like I have my memory is high, my CPU is high. So what their suggestion is, if you turn off some of these programs that are using up a lot of resources, because they said Clipchamp is a resource heavy, you know, anything that have to do with video or audio editing usually uses a lot of resources. So you need to look over here and find out which software is using the most resources, and you need to stop it. As you guys can see, OBS is using a lot, but I'm running it right now. Edge is using a lot. You know what I mean? Microsoft Edge is using like a lot, and Chrome is using a lot. But anyway, I'm going to reboot over here, and I'm hoping that this process will fix Clipchamp for me. I'll talk to you guys soon. If you're looking to make some money, check out the link that I have in the description below. I've been making passive income for quite a few years now, and I love this program because you don't have to buy anything additional. Just one purchase and you have everything under one roof. It's a great CRM, great training, great support with uh, um, Tony Robbins and Dean Graciosis. Best of luck. If you guys need my help directly, just comment or text keyword to 910-447-6508. If you get started with my link, I'll be more than happy to help you. Have a wonderful day. Best of luck.